Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. So we are here with the latest immigration news. We want to give you some update. Okay? So let me know how you're feeling this lovely afternoon. This is a weekend. How are you? How are you feeling? What are you planning for the weekend? The weather is not bad, so it's good. It's a Labor Day weekend, so for people who actually work, right? So, how are you? Latest immigration news. We're gonna give you some updates, okay? First of all, let me know in the comments what is the news. That's what we're gonna talk about. You have to stick until the end so you will know what are we talking about. Okay, by the way, please like, please share. We just got started. Charis Kadosh, by the way, you need a lawyer for your motion to dismiss. Why? You have no business doing it yourself. Okay. Okay. So, how are you? I'm good. How are you, Elena? How are you? How are you feeling this lovely afternoon? It's a weekend. It's a Labor Day weekend. The weekend is right now. No, you need to get a loan and get it done, because the way you're doing by yourself, you haven't found a solution. Thank you for the life. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. So let's get into it. We have some few updates. We're going to talk about parole in place. First of all, we're going to update you on what's going on, and then we're going to move to another news. Then we're going to take some questions. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Let me share my screen first of all. Hello, how are you doing? Hope to hear good news today. Yes, we have a couple updates. I'm just gonna go ahead and share my screen so we can update and see what's going on. Share. Okay, so let's start with parole. Okay, we're starting with parole in place. Okay, so as you know, you already know that on August 26th, the United States District Court for the District of Texas, they filed a lawsuit, okay? And the court issued an administrative stay. Simply means that they put a pause on it, preventing the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, from granting parole in place. For 14 days. They put a stay, a halt on it for 14 days, okay? A temporary injunction for 14 days. So, in order for them, USCIS now, in order to comply with the administrative stay, like a court order, because you have to comply when it's a court order, have no option. Right now, they're not granting any parole in place request on the keeping family together. However, they are continuing to accept filings, okay? And they continue to schedule biometric appointment and capturing biometric at Application Support Center. They are taking biometric appointment, they are capturing biometric, they are using old biometric on file. The moment this order is lifted, like the temporary injunction is lifted, they're gonna process those applications like never before. That's why we're trying to tell you to apply. 14 days, probably by September 9, okay? will have the 14-day. If if they don't find another solution, they will extend the 14 days, another 14 days. But meanwhile, before, let's say, before they extend the 14 days, in between, if the window of opportunity is open, they're gonna process it, because some people got approved. Trust me, they got approved, right? It's saying here, yeah, the order was issued at 6:46 p.m. Okay, people who apply prior to that probably going to get it approved at some point once this order is lifted. Yeah, individual granted parole in place under this process may still file for any other benefit which they might be eligible, including employment authorization and adjustment of status. If they gave it to you, you're gonna file adjustment of status, and you're going to file employment authorization. Okay, so and you can only file employment authorization after the form is approved. If you file it before, it's gonna get rejected. So basically, we're just filing one thing. Once it's approved, then you're gonna file the other petitions. Okay, so USCIS continue to schedule biometric appointment. If you already filed, you might get a letter to do your biometric. Just go and do it. This is it. Yeah, you have to, if they give you a date for biometric, you have to show up. If you don't show up, then you have to reschedule it. And then you must print the biometric appointment in order to go there. So basically, again, there's a stay. 14 days, we're really counting and hoping something better comes up, which I believe it's gonna, the Biden administration is going to prevail, because they thought about it. They knew the lawsuit was going to come. They were prepared too, right? So they're going to fight for it just the way they fought for DACA. Remember, people have DACA until now. The people who file late, those are the ones who never got DACA anymore. But you know, the litigation is ongoing. We encourage people to file, because really, if an opportunity opens up, you really have to take advantage, because you really don't, there's no way to know what's gonna happen. When you take a risk, you take it for good, like for good result, because there's no way to know even that you're gonna wake up tomorrow. How do you know? You don't know. You hope to wake up. So that's why we're trying to encourage people who qualify to apply, especially that USCIS is still taking applications, because they know at some point they're going to figure out a solution. They're going to come up with a settlement. So if you file earlier, then when the settlement comes up, you will be among those people. But if you file late, maybe the settlement will have a cutoff date, then it's going to be finito for you. So yeah, that's how I see it. Okay, moving on to another news. We got USCIS here. USCIS to open international field office in Ecuador. Interesting. Anyway, they said that they're gonna open an international field office in Quito, Ecuador on September 10. That's good, at least for the purpose of processing applications, right? They'll focus on refugee processing capacity, okay? And helping reuniting individual with their family member already in the United States, which is good. At least one area will be, basically we'll have more workforce to process some particular cases, therefore diminishing the number of cases here in the US. Still good, okay? So again, when it comes to refugee, they have a quota as well, and then the quota range for 35,000 to 50,000 for America and the Caribbean. And then basically opening a new center is better. Okay. So, and then here they're talking about how many centers they have, which in what countries. Then we have another news. I think this is the last one that I want to touch on. Practice alert, visa number unavailable for FY 2024. They're talking about EB1, okay? On August 27, the Department of State confirmed that all numbers in the EB1 preference category, employment based EB1, okay? Exceptional ability, those people in the EB1 category, for this fiscal year, they've used up all their visa, okay? So no further green card or visa will be issued for the remaining of the fiscal year, which ends on September 30th, 2024. Yeah, simply means that you're gonna have to wait until the new year starts, a new fiscal year starts, for them to start processing. Like right now, they're not gonna process until probably in October. You just wait online. That's why we always tell people, when you apply early, when the visa becomes immediately available, that's when you apply. The same thing we're trying to encourage people with Bijoux. When you apply early, you are early on the line, and when it comes time for processing things, you take a priority or advantage over other people on the line. But some people just like to wait last minute, and then they are confronted with those type of issues. Okay. Yeah, so anyway, so based on this warning, it's also foreseeable that EB2 and EB4 category will become unavailable in the near future. Wow, interesting. Like some people wanted to move to EB2 so they can transfer, but looks like even EB2 and EB4 is going to be unavailable anytime soon. Yeah, you can visit the yeah, so anyway, if you want to know your priority date and stuff like that, look at the visa bulletin. That's how you know. Okay, let me stop right here and take some questions first. Stop sharing and take some questions. Okay. PIP will be 2 years green card or 10 years green card. It's going to depend on the length of marriage. It's just the same rule applies. If the person just got married this year, they're gonna get a 2 years conditional green card, okay? If the person has been married forever, then they'll get a 10 years. The rule about the green card still applies. The only thing PIP is doing is forgiving only one thing, unlawful entry. That's it. So, but if somebody has other inadmissibility issues, even if they get PIP, they're still gonna get denied, or they might need waivers if waivers are available based on their issues, right? What else? Can you apply PIP to a smartphone? I haven't tried that, but the thing is, you have to upload the documents. If you have your document under Google Drive already, maybe you'll be able to do it, but I have not tried that. So I just apply on my computer, because you have to upload all those documents, proof of identity, all that. It's better to just do it on the computer. Yeah, it's better to do it on the computer. Yeah, who else has a question here so we can answer that? Oh my gosh, I'm drinking my vitamins. Put it in the water so I can be able to swallow it. Anyway, so anybody else has a question, just put it in the comment. We're trying to answer some questions here. I'm gonna wait a little bit because it's probably early, this live session. I'm just gonna hang out here for a while until we get something resolved. Yeah, until we get something resolved, I'm just gonna hang out here. Yeah, if you have a question, just put it there so we can answer it. Yep. Let's see, anybody else here? Anybody else here with a question? Let me see. Maybe I have another news I might talk about. Let me double check about some news. Oh, okay. There's another news here. It says that the Biden, remember the Biden administration, let me, hi Jose Lopez, how are you? Let me share my screen so we can talk about it. That's just a different news. Remember at some point they stopped this humanitarian parole for let me see. Let me share my screen first and then I'll go back to okay. So the Biden administration may soon restart the key immigration program for Cuban, Haitian, Nicaraguan, and Venezuelan. Do you know that they stopped it because of fraud? Now they say that they might soon restart a key immigration program that had been paused this summer over concerns of fraud, according to a source familiar with the matter. So this program allows migrants of certain nationality to apply to legally migrate to the United States and have has often been credited by Homeland Security officials for driving down border crossing. So they say they're gonna stop. They're gonna anytime soon. They might restart that because it was on pause because of fraud. I have another news here. Yeah, the PIP again. Everybody's making their own comment. Biden plan to shield undocumented spouse of America is on hold here. What you need to know. We already talked about it, right? The thing you have to know. What are the chances that the program survives court challenges? Based on previous case involving the legal authority Biden invoked to create the program, it should survive court challenge. You see, that's what I've been telling you. This is the person who made a good analysis. According to them, it's going to survive this court challenge. Okay. The program relies on the president's power to issue what's called parole in place, which has been used for decades by both Republican and Democrat to allow immigrants to remain in the United States temporarily. So, yeah, it looks like it's going to survive. Should undocumented spouse still apply? Yeah, you should move forward with the application. Everybody is saying the same thing because they feel like it's going to survive. So if you miss your chance, that'll be on you, right? So stop sharing. Okay, so Yuri said let's talk live. Oh, okay, you wanna talk live? Let me send you the link. Hold on. Oh, if I want to invite somebody, let's see how I invite. Okay, invite, copy. Okay, Yuri. Oh. I'm putting a link here. You have to ask for it. It's gonna appear here, then I'll put you there. Okay. Someone that applied for by the way, Yuri, once I put you live, I'm not gonna put my video down. It means that you agree because my videos are live. Okay, it's gonna stay live on basically on YouTube forever. So if you log in, it means you agree to be here live in the public. Someone that applied for any immigration benefit and got denied, what's the best answer to the question of the form PIP? Have you ever been in a removal procedure or deportation excluding? Someone that applied for any immigration benefit and got denied. Oh, have you ever been in removal proceeding? Removal proceeding means that you've been in immigration court. Have you ever appeared in immigration court before? Do you have order of removal? That is removal proceedings. Do you have, did your case, did they close your case? Administrative closure, it's removal proceedings. If you apply for an immigration benefit before, what happened to it? If they refer you to immigration court, it means you are in removal proceedings. Then the answer should be yes. Because if you lie, then they're not going to grant you parole because they will check. They'll check your alien number, then they'll see that this person has been in removal proceedings. Yeah, the answer is yes if you have been, if you ever dealt with immigration court and never found a solution. Because a person can deal with immigration court and then the case gets dismissed. Then they're no longer in immigration court. But if you've been, the case wasn't dismissed, removal was not terminated, your benefit was denied, the appeal was denied, or maybe they grant you withholding in removal, that's still removal proceedings. Maybe they administratively close your case, that is still removal proceeding, or maybe your case is currently open, it's still removal proceedings. Okay. So by the way, Yuri, did you see the link? Are you able to click on it so you can get in to ask your questions live? Did you see it? I'll see it. I'll see you appearing here, then I'll put you there. I don't see you here, so it means you didn't click on it. Okay, so oh, they're asking you to download an app. Yes, you should, because you're doing it over the phone. Yeah, so you have to download the StreamYard app. If you were on the computer, it could have been easier. You just log in. On the phone, you have to download the app. Yeah. So that's the only way we invite people. Let me see the instruction. Yeah, so you have to have a laptop, Chrome, Firefox. Yeah. Yeah, if you're doing on your phone, you have to download the app, okay? So, yeah, that's how it works. Okay. So, who else? Adechi, did you get the answer of this question? Did you get the answer of this question? Let me know in the comment. Oh, what's the app need to download? No, that's not, that has nothing to do with you. I was talking to another user who want to ask their question live. So I send the link so they can get in the system. So that's not, this is not about you. I'm just asking if you got the answer to the question that you were asking. Yeah, anyway, we got 16 people in the house. Please go ahead and like and share. If you have a question, just put it in the comments so we can answer it. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we got 16 people in the house. Please like and share so we can continue the live session. Sorry, I'm drinking my vitamin. Where are you located? Washington, D.C. DC metro area. The office is in Washington, D.C., okay? So where are you located, Adechi? Are you around here? But PIP is, we're doing PIP online, so you don't have to be here for me to be your lawyer under PIP. So PIP is being filed online. Sorry, I'm drinking my vitamins in the water so that I can where are you located, El Marzouk Adechi? You are in the waiting. Oh, okay, let me add you to the stage. Okay, so do you have a question?
Hello. Hi. Can you able to hear me?
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. I have just one question. I have a pending application that is WABA, and I got a prima facie on it. And I was wondering, like, if I can able to terminate my removal proceeding from immigration code. Yep, that's my question. Like, is it because I've heard that they do it under Biden, but then at the same time, some lawyers mentioned that you have to have approved or any approved petition for them to terminate. So I'm just getting conflicted with
Yeah,
like this.
if you wanna try with the prima facie, I suggest you try on your own. That way, you're not gonna lose anything. But if you're trying with a lawyer, it's better to have. Even for me, I will only take the case if you already have a VAWA approved. That way, you can convince them. You have a strong argument to convince them as to why they have to go back and reopen an old case. You see. So
Got
if
it.
you, yeah, if you, even if you are not a priority, the simple fact that you don't have anything to show them why they have to go back and reopen the case, they're not gonna do it. So
Mm.
if it's a try, just try on your own. But once you get approved, then you can try with a lawyer. That way you don't waste money.
Can I able to like open by myself? Like, so my case is admin closed. Can I like recalendar and put that motion right in front of judge, or should I
Oh,
reach out to DHS?
your case is administratively closed.
Yeah, it is administrative closed. So wanted
Oh,
to.
if your case is administratively closed, for me, it's don't you just wait for the approval. Why?
Got it.
Because when you get an approved petition to recalendar the case, it doesn't take that long. It takes like 13 days.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes. The only people who have hard time is the people who were order removed already.
Okay.
That's
I was in a rush because it takes like 3 or maybe now 3.5, 4 years to get a ball approved, and I cannot apply green card or advanced parole because I am
yeah,
in remote.
that's the reason as to why you cannot uh, because you because the case is administratively closed, you cannot do anything, and VAWA take forever anyway. But the good news is once VAWA get approved to reopen your case, it's not going to take that long because the case was administratively closed.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah,
Well, thank
right
you very
now,
much for your advice.
right now, if you just go and reopen it, what they're gonna say to do what? And if you tell them, "Oh, I want to dismiss the case," I don't think ICE will agree easily because they'll say we don't see any like any approved petition, you know. So
Got it. Okay, that
yeah,
makes sense. Well, thank you so much for your time and answering my questions.
no problem. Thank you.
Cheers. Bye.
Okay, bye bye. So yeah, we answered that question. If anybody else want to ask their question live, you can come and ask. Just know that your information, I mean, your whatever you're gonna say, is gonna stay online. So if you're comfortable with that, do it. If you're not comfortable, don't do it because I'm not putting my live session down. So that's what it is. Okay, who else? Like for example, Adechi El Mazouk. If you want to ask your question, just click the link. If you want to ask it live, all right, just click the link I provided. We can answer it. But other than that, I guess we already answered that. Okay. So anybody else? I'm drinking my water, my vitamin in the water, really, because I can't swallow the pills. Anyway, sorry. Okay. I guess we got everybody. I think we got everybody. You can just I think we got everybody. Oh, okay. Hi, I'm listening. Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Bijoux. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, this is why. The reason I'm calling is I want to first of all thank you for the live. You do a good job, and you've been doing this a long time now.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah, you are a good lawyer, and I would like to advise everybody that is on life right now to hire you because you are very, very simple.
Yes, yes, yes. Please share. Please share. We need
Yes,
that.
you will be sharing because you supporting us, we will support you too.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, I'm calling for a friend.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say that she had this AOS interview, about let's say a while back,
Mm-hmm.
and the, the officer did not ask him about his initial interview,
Okay.
but he did ask him about his most recent interview.
Okay.
That was to a PPS Rasparov.
Okay.
So, uh, we, in case he get approved on his green card, would the first entry be a problem for later on, let's say, when he's going to apply for citizenship?
So, when people go to the interview, they ask a lot of questions. First of all, if the person responded to the question that were asked, first of all, we have the questions on the green card, okay? And then that's where they ask all the questions when it comes to inadmissibility issues. All the questions are on the green card. And then they're going to go over the same question again with you. So if you answer those questions truthfully, if the person actually answered the question truthfully, then there's nothing to worry about.
Okay.
If the person lied on those questions, that's when the problem comes, because later on they find out that you lied or you did this or you did that.
You do not buy on a government form, right? That is
Yes.
against the law. That's a bad thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you won't lie about that. But,
What?
but my second question or advice to you is: so is it more likely to get, get live phone calls like this?
More likely to get what? Say again.
No, I'm saying, is it more likely or is it more fun to that people call?
Oh yeah, I mean, I always tell people if they want to ask the question live, we can do it. But the thing is, some people they'll do it, then later on they're like, oh, I don't want my voice to be on my YouTube. That's why I stopped it. So that's why I said if somebody's here like this live session, I'm not gonna put it down. It's gonna stay. So they have to agree.
But you've been doing this a long time now, right? Like years and years, or you had like thousands. I believe
Yes,
millions of
I've been
people so
doing it a
far.
long time.
I've been
And
following you.
I stop it because people they didn't wanna do it. That's why I stop it.
Oh, okay.
And then some people will send me email, please remove my video, please remove my video. That's why I got annoyed. I stopped doing it.
Oh, okay. I didn't
Yeah.
know that part. I didn't know
Yeah.
that part.
Okay.
So my second question is your PIP.
Okay.
I have a friend of mine who would like to apply for PIP. So what is the likelihood that it's going to be revoked if Trump comes back?
Well, that's nobody knows for sure, right? Nobody knows that. Nobody can really predict the future. But what a lot of people are saying, and a lot of analysis have been done, even the last newsletter or newspaper I just read recently, like today, this person says that this program is pretty solid, and they believe strongly that it's going to survive the lawsuit. It's going to survive litigation because the way they constructed it is very solid. It comes from Biden power to basically Biden power to do those type of program. So they can fight it, but they're not gonna succeed. what a lot of analysis are saying. That's why they're telling people to apply. And as a matter of fact, if somebody has been here for a long time with that document, I don't see why they wouldn't take a risk to apply, really. You know, they have to take the risk to apply and then wait for the result. So that's the only thing I'll say. Okay. So that's it for you, right? So we can get somebody else.
I'm tired. Yeah.
That's it,
Do not
right?
get tired, okay?
Okay,
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, okay, we have this person here. Hello, marriage adjustment, disemployment authorization pending. Disemployment I don't see the question. Noble ET, I don't see the question. Hello, do you talk with you live? Yes, I can talk live. If you want to talk live, let me put the link. Today I'm happy to talk live, right? But not tomorrow. Let me put the link so you can log in. I'll put you on the screen if you want to talk live. So that's the link right there. Okay. We have Onokule Jempeji. I'm frustrated. Onokule, we know everybody's frustrated. Even the people who recently applied for PIP, they are frustrated, right? So, but they're just waiting. Yeah. It's basically Olankule Jempeji. It's a test for you to practice patience. It looks like you're a person who has no patience at all. So basically, that's why God put you in this situation, so you can practice patience. That's it. Unless you have 7,000, 9,000 to file for a lawsuit. But other than that, practice patience, okay? So who else? Noble ET, do you want to ask your question live? We can answer it. Yeah. So if you come live, just know that the video will stay online. If you are comfortable to do it, fine. If not, just put your question basically in the comment section, okay? Okay. So we have questions here on Instagram. Jesus CL says, I live in the US since 8 months, have a visa, J2, and want to have a green card. I have a master's degree in business. Do you think it's possible? You have to apply for a waiver. Jesus.CLV. You need to go on YouTube. So when we send the link, we can see, you can be able to log in and ask your question live. Okay? You need to go on YouTube. But anyway, Jesus.CLV, basically, if you get married to a US citizen, you can try to apply for a waiver to waive the J2 requirements, the 2 years requirements. That way you're going to be able to adjust status. But if it's to employment, I don't think it's possible if you overstay the visa. So that's just a short answer on that. But anyway, just go on YouTube, Jesus.CLV. Go on YouTube, please, so you can ask your question live. We can elaborate more. Since today, I'm happy to answer your question live, okay? Who else has a question? Why this okay. Yeah, anybody else? Anybody else want to come live before we stop? Jesus.CLV, please join us on YouTube. That way you can ask your question live, okay? But in short, what we are saying is that basically, if you overstay your visa, you cannot get. It's pretty much impossible unless you qualify under 245I. You cannot adjust status to employment, but to marriage or to family, immediate family member, you can try the basically the waiver of 2 years requirement. Mr. 248428, what happened? I don't know what happened on Instagram. It always freezing or something is always going on. Yeah, so I don't know what's happening there. Okay, we're adding this person to the live session. Do you have a question? Go ahead, please.
So just wanted to check.
Okay.
Because I got a pending case. So it has been pending. It's an adjustment of status, marriage with EAD. Pending with national visa. The NBC, National Benefit Center, for about more than 8 months. So, but I haven't heard anything from them. So I don't know if they just forgot about the case or.
For 8 months, green card pending for 8 months.
Not green card. So EAD.
EAD. Is it a renewal or first time?
No, it's the first time. So it's based on the marriage adjustment.
Yeah, I think you should call them. You should call USCIS, because why now they're really approving at least work permit within 3 months.
Yeah, because I called them several times, but they didn't. So they just sent me to wait or to put the service request. So, but currently, service request is already on file. So today is 30 days.
What about, did you try with your congressman?
So I haven't tried with the congressman, so I don't know if it can work, because the thing is, I'm in Texas, so Texas is kind of Republican stuff, so I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, you should just try, because it's free. You're not losing anything by trying with them.
Okay, so is it with the congressman or with the senator?
I mean, it's called congressman office, but it's gonna, if you put the link, it's gonna direct you to the your senator in your zip code.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just let me see the way we put it, congressman.
So, but do you think they're working on that case, or they just forget about the case?
Yeah, I think that sometimes they just, since they have a lot of cases, sometimes they just forget about it or something. You never know what's going on with those people. But on your side, just keep trying with congressman. Like I put you the link there. You're gonna put your basically your zip code, then it's gonna direct you to the representative in your state. I guess, you know how to do that, right? Then you're gonna click where it says help with immigration or federal thing, basically. Then you're gonna find the immigration part. Then you then you fill out the form. They're gonna get in touch with you. Then you're gonna talk about why you need them to help you out. Yeah. So that's basically one of the ways we reach out to them.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So So I got another question, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So regarding the military PFP.
Mm-hmm.
So if when you find a PFP, so how long does it take? So if it does in Texas, so how long does it take for it to get approved? Approximately.
For which one? The one that
Uh,
is
no, no,
under
the
lawsuit?
military.
The
No, the military
military?
PFP.
Oh, I don't know really. I haven't done any PIP lately, but military cases go faster. So if you have a case, it's taking too long, you should reach out to them. Yeah, you should just keep reaching out, stuff like that.
Yeah, because when you call the USCS number, so they keep telling us to wait, wait, wait,
Yeah,
wait.
just that's when you reach out to other people like the congressman's office and stuff like that. The only time people file lawsuits is when the delay is unreasonable. But 8 months for a new green card, it's not unreasonable. Even if you file a lawsuit, you're not gonna
No, no,
win.
that one is just it's for the work permit, not the green card.
Yeah, so even the work permit, if you look at the regular processing time, it's a lot. It's just that they're doing at least a favor to process it early, sooner.
No, because for the processing time on the website
Mm-hmm.
for for I think for this service center for the National Benefit Center. So the work permit adjustment base is I think it's 6.5 months.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah,
6.5
yeah. So
months.
on your side, the only thing
I think it's
you
almost
can
9 months now.
right on your side, the only thing you can do is just follow up. Yeah, just keep doing it until at some point they get tired, they do it. But if you feel like they're not doing anything, the other avenue is lawsuit. That's like last resort. If you have money, you can file a lawsuit. That's all.
No,
Other than
that's a
other than
long
that,
one.
yeah. So that's why I'm saying the only thing you can do is follow up. That's all.
Okay, all right, all right,
Okay.
all right. Thank you.
Thank you. So we can get somebody else. Okay. So we got questions here on Instagram. Okay. Uh, what happened when F1 opti candidate get work permit through VAWA? Then do he still remain on F1? Do we still need to maintain F1 status? What will be his status? Well, if you got work permit through VAWA, then your status now is a VAWA. You're VAWA approved, like you are in deferred action. When a VAWA get approved, the person gets in deferred action. VAWA is a deferred action, so you cannot be removed. So once VAWA is already approved. So in other words, your work permit, maintaining student visa is no longer your priority because you're already in deferred action. So you can work with your, basically you can work with your VAWA work permit if it's approved, right? Because they only give the work permit after it's approved. So okay. Anybody else? Yeah, I guess this is it, right? Yeah, Jesus CLV. I think you should go on basically on YouTube so we can get you live if you want a live. But other than that, we are done, right? We did good today. We did good. 1 hour answering your questions. By the way, now please like, please share. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. What else we have? YouTube, of course, you're already here, right? YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page. Yeah, we want you to share the videos. All the questions are valid, okay? So we try our best to answer questions. Yes. I won't get work permit until my VAWA is approved, unless you file with the green card concurrently. Okay, Mr. 248428. If you file with the green card concurrently and the work permit, like a package, like a VAWA petition, a green card petition, a work permit petition concurrently at USCIS office, then yes, you can get your work permit before VAWA is approved. But if it's only VAWA application pending, you're gonna have to wait until VAWA is approved in order for you to get a work permit. Got it? So I guess he got it. He or she, I don't know. But anyway, they got it. Okay, this is it, right? We did good. We did good tonight. We did good. Almost 1 hour. So we did good. Now it's your time to share, okay? Now it's your time to share. Who called? Yeah, if somebody called me, they just have to go on live and ask their questions, because I'm not taking any phone call answer this time. 571. Which area? Northern Virginia. Okay. So I won't get a work permit. Okay, I think we answered your question, Mr. 248428. Yeah, here too we don't have any more questions. This is it. This is it for today. This is it. Thank you very much. We are done here. We did our best. Done. Thank you very much.